Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Welcome back to our virtual learning system. How are you, dear students? Hope you will enjoy your virtual learning system and you are learning a lot from this system. I'm your teacher, Ms. Tanzila. Dear students, we are going to revise our course and our today lecture is on alphabet revision. In this lecture, some of the uppercase and also lowercase letter we will revise. I will teach you how to write alphabets. I know that you people have learned many things about the alphabets, but we are going to revise it again in order to learn it in a more pretty way. Hope you will enjoy and will get my point. Inshallah, you people will take no time to learn the alphabets because you have learned this in a KG Junior and also in our previous lectures. So let's start our today lecture. Before starting our lecture, first of all, we will learn about the lines. Okay? The line which are used in our alphabet formation, we will learn that line in today's lecture. Like standing line and sleeping line and slanting line and curved lines. Okay? All these lines we are using in our alphabet writing. Once we have learned about the lines and its drawing, then you will be able to write your alphabet in a more good way. Okay? There are some lines, like look here. This line is called standing line. Now look it carefully. This line is called sleeping line. Now look here. This line is called slanting line. Both these lines, okay? Just its direction is opposite. Both these lines are called slanting line. And there are also some curved line. Look at this. This is curved line. It just look like a C. And you can also draw a curved line in another direction. This is also called a curved line. All these lines are very, very important. Once you know about this line, then you can write your alphabet in lowercase and in uppercase also. By the using of these lines, we are going to write our capital letters and small letters. Okay? So look at this line, keep it in your mind and recognize it. Okay? This is standing line. This is sleeping line. This is slanting line. And this one is curved line. So let's start our today lecture. First of all, we are going to learn a capital letter A. That how we will write our letter. So start start from the top and draw a slanting line. Look here, from the top or from the bottom. In a both way you can write your letter. Okay, start from the bottom. You will use the first 3 lines of your copy. Start from the bottom and go to the top and draw a slanting line. Look here, this is a slanting line. And then from the top to the bottom using 3 lines. Okay, using the 3 lines of your notebook. Okay, then draw another slanting line from the top to the bottom, and at the top touch these 2 lines, match these 2 lines. Okay, and after this in the middle draw a sleeping line. Okay, draw a sleeping line, then it will be a letter A. Understand? Again listen. Start from the bottom and go to the top and draw a slanting line, and then draw another slanting line opposite to the first one and touch both these lines, slanting line, in the middle with the help of sleeping line. Understood? Now, this is our small a. How you will write a small a? Start from the middle and look here. Now you will use the middle line, okay? The middle, not the top line. The middle line. Start from the middle and draw a curved line. Look here, this is a curve. And draw a curved line touching the bottom. And go to the middle again. Go to the middle again, look here, and draw a standing line. And draw a standing line touching the bottom. And at the end of the standing line, draw a small curve again. Then it will be your letter A in lowercase. Understood? Start from the middle, draw a curved line touching the bottom, and then go back again to the middle, draw a standing line, and at the end, draw a small curve. Understood? So, this is our capital A, and this is our small a. Understood? Now you got it. This is our perfect A letter. I'm pausing the screen. Watch it carefully and recognize it, and also say with me, A. Okay, this is our letter A. Now our next letter is B, capital B. How you will draw? Draw a standing line from the top to the bottom, or from the bottom to the top. Okay? Draw a standing line from the top to the bottom, then draw a curved line touching the bottom and reaching to the middle. Okay? Then draw another curved line from the middle to the bottom. Okay, then it will look like a letter B. Draw a standing line from the top to bottom, and then draw a curved line from the top to the middle or to the center, and then from the center draw another curved line touching the bottom. Then it is a letter B, capital B. Understood? Now let's try our small b, small letter B. Draw a standing line from the top to bottom using 3 lines of your notebook. Okay, then from the middle, second line from the center, draw a curve, complete curve. They're touching the bottom and the standing line. Draw a complete curve towards your right side, okay, left side, okay. So draw a standing line and then draw a curve starting from the middle, reaching to the bottom and touching the standing line. This is our capital B and this is our small b. Now look at this letter. This is a perfect B. It just take a second that you people will got it in a second. It's too easy. You learn it many times. So watch it carefully and keep it in your mind that it is a letter B. Okay, I'm pausing the screen. Watch it carefully. This is a letter B. Letter B. Now our next letter is C. Starting from the top, little below the top, draw a point and then touch it to the top and make a curved line touching the bottom and then little bit up from the bottom. Then it will be look like a letter C, using the first 3 lines of your notebook for a capital C. Understood? Now a small letter C. Same, but just its position is different. You will start the capital letter from the top line and the small letter C from the middle line. And then draw a curve touching to the bottom. So this is our letter C. Now this is a perfect C. Okay, letter C. Watch it carefully. Recognize the letter and say with me C. How you will pronounce it? C. Okay, this is our letter C. Now our next letter is D. How you will draw D? Start from the top and come to the down, touching the third line of your notebook, and then draw a curve touching the bottom and reaching to touching the top and reaching to the bottom. Okay, so it is our letter D. Very easy. Start from the top, go to the bottom, and then draw a curved line touching the top, reaching to the bottom. Okay, now our small letter D. Starting from the top and draw a standing line, little bit curve towards right, and then draw from the middle a curved line touching the bottom of the third line. Okay, how you will draw? Draw a standing line with a small curve, then from the middle draw another curve there touching the standing line. So this is our letter D. Now this is our perfect letter. Watch it carefully. This is the letter D. Say with me, it is letter D. How we will pronounce letter D. Our next letter is E. Again, start a standing line from the top to the bottom, and then from the top draw a sleeping line, and then draw a sleeping line from the middle, and then again draw a sleeping line from the top. This is our letter E. With the help of one standing line and 3 sleeping line, we draw our letter E. Now a small E, this is the small E. Start from the middle of the middle line and draw a small sleeping line. Then at the end of the sleeping line, draw a complete curved line that touch the bottom. Understood? This is our letter E. Look at this. This is the capital letter and this is the small letter E. Capital letter E, small E. How you will draw it? Look at this, okay? Now this is our letter E. I'm pausing the screen again. Watch it carefully and keep it in your mind. This is the letter E. Our next letter is F. Draw a standing line from the top to the bottom. Then from the top, draw a sleeping line. And from the middle, draw another sleeping line. Then it will form a letter F. Okay? Draw a standing line from the top to bottom. Then from the top, one sleeping line. And from the middle, draw another sleeping line. Now, a small letter F. Draw a curve little below the top line and come to the bottom of the line. Draw a little curve and then turn into the standing line and reach it to the bottom of the line. Then draw a small sleeping line in the middle. Okay, then it will form like a capital letter F. Understood? This is the, small letter F. This is the capital letter and this one is the small letter F. Now this is our letter F. Look it. See it, this is the letter F. Now our next letter is G. Draw a complete curved line and touching the bottom and then reaching to the middle of the line. Then turn it to a small sleeping line. Okay? Draw a complete curved line touching from the top to the bottom, and then turn towards left and draw a small sleeping line. Now our small letter G is draw. Look at this. Draw a small curve starting from the middle and going to the top of the line, and then turn it to the standing line, coming downwards, and then turn it to a small curve, reaching to the middle of the middle line. So this is our capital letter G. Now this is our letter G. Watch it. Okay, this is G, letter G. Now our next letter is H. It's too easy. Draw a standing line from the top to the bottom and draw another standing line opposite to the first one from the top to the bottom and join these two standing lines with the sleeping line in the middle. So this is our capital letter H. Now small letter H, draw a standing line from the top to the bottom and then from the middle curve it and come towards down touching the bottom. So it will form a small letter H. This is our letter H. Okay, letter H. Now our next letter is I. It's too easy. Draw a small sleeping line at the top and then from the middle of the sleeping line draw a standing line and another sleeping line at the bottom. And this is our small letter I. Draw a standing line with a small sleeping line at the bottom and a small dot at the top. This is our letter I. Okay. Now read it with me. Look here at once. A. How you will read it? A. B. B. Look here, B, and it sounds like double E. B. B. C. C. It sounds like C and double E. C. C. D. It sounds like D and double E. D. D. E. Sound E. F. 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 It sounds like E. F. Yeah, F. G. It sounds like G and double E. G. G. H. It sounds like this. Look here. A. I. T. C. H. 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 I. I. Okay, read again. A. B. C. D. E. F. G. H. I. A. B. C. D. E. F. G. H. I. Now read with me again. A. B. C. D. E. F. G. H. I. Okay. Now with a small A, the sound is same, the pronunciation is same, just its writing formation is different. So how you will write a small letter? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Okay. Now there is a little task for you people. Write the letter from A to I in both cases, upper and lower cases, neatly in your notebooks and then check from your teacher. Okay? So bye for now. See you next time, inshallah. Thank you so much.